So what are we gonna make today?
Pizza Hut sandwiches.
Is it a sandwich?
No.
Does it come from Pizza Hut?
No.
Why is it called that? I don't know either. But that's what it's always been called. Grandma called it that. Kuka called it that. It's one of my favorites. I think you'll like it too. What else in it? American cheese.
American cheese, Parmesan cheese, ketchup, and bread.
Bread. So, take our cutting.
Don't make it.
It's not a cutting board. What is this? We're gonna take our baking sheet and our bread. 3 pieces of bread for 3 hungry mouths. They don't fit. We're gonna cram them in because we can. Can't get enough cheese. Here, you put the cheese on the bread. White bread, American cheese. Now what's next?
Ketchup.
Give me a squirt on each piece of cheese. Pretty good blob. We're gonna spread it all over the cheese. The ingredients for this are 1 piece of cheese, 1 piece of bread, as much ketchup as you want. Take the spoon, spread it out over the cheese. Alright, now do the other 2. Very gourmet. Thank you.
Okay. I've never seen anyone do that.
Parmesan cheese. Coat them generously. It's all gonna come out. Okay, we'll do it like this. Just a coating. Nice, cheesy topping.
Mine is yours.
Take the Pizza Hut sandwich, put it in the broiler on high.
Hi.
Cook it until the ketchup becomes jammy. The cheese gets that slight leopard print burn, and the bread and the Parmesan are nice and toasty. Okay?
Yep.
We'll be right back.
Toasted Pizza Hut sandwiches.
Look at that Parmesan cheese.
Oh wow.
Nice and brown. Bread crispy, cheese a little charred. These are my favorite. Don't touch the pan.
And the ketchup has turned into pizza sauce.
Yes.
Time to taste the sandwiches.
Woo!
Mmm.